Hello friends, this is our 14th essay that we are discussing of honor and reputation by Francis Bacon. Today we will do the introduction. The first point is how to win honor. That's point one. How to win. How to win honor. Okay. And that is by revealing a man's virtue and worth. So, revealing a man's virtue and worth. You said no. There is opposite of that, you know. Here Brutus is an honorable man. Mark Antony says, not that honor. Honorable means you express your virtue, your good qualities, and your worth. For example, Portia, we can say, in Merchant of Venice, she has revealed her virtue and worth. In any drama you will find like that. A person, one character will be virtuous person or a worthy man. See? So like that we can say Portia in the Merchant of Venice. Isn't it? Or you can see honorable people now. Think of an honorable person, Lincoln, President Lincoln, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, so such great people. So they have proved their virtue and their worth. Nelson Mandela. So this one. But then there is some problem. Some people do great things expecting honor. See, some people, for example, they will donate crores of rupees. But there is a string attached to that. That is, they should be honored in a public place. But obviously people will speak about that. But inwardly, there will be little admiration for them. There are some others who darken their honor by publicity and only for publicity when they do things. Say, before, if you are giving, especially certain clubs you will find, they are helping a widow. They are giving a sewing machine to a widow. Okay. There are many philanthropic clubs out there. Before that, they will announce it. They will have a word post pasted in different part of the city, and they will call all the media men. When this sewing machine is handed over to this poor widow, then cameras will click, isn't it? And the person who gives will smile, and the woman who receives will cry. Why? The sewing machine might have cost, say, about, I don't know, maybe 2,000 rupees also. For publicity, they spend 50,000 rupees. So that is a dark honor. They are darkening their honor. Or you can say they are pouring tar on their honor, which is supposed to be bright. If you do new things, then your honor will shine. New things. You should do new things. Not just continuing the old one. For example, we can say administrative reforms. You remember now, unification of Germany by Bismarck. Something new has done. And if you do something that pleases everybody, then also you will become great and your honor will shine. So you have got such people as Mother Teresa. Nobody will object to that because whatever she does, it pleases everyone. So that's about how to win honor. And when you reveal your merit, some people get back respect. They expect to get back respect. That is not good because people will not admire it. Others do things only for publicity. That's a very bad thing. Propaganda. If you want to become really great and honorable, then you should do new things. And also, you should do things which pleases everyone. That's point one. Point two, then opposite of that is disgrace. When does disgrace happen? Disgrace happens, you take up something which is beyond your capacity and collapse and fail. Then it will cause disgrace. Another is, you gain honor in one thing, and the second project you take up is a failure. Then also you will lose your honor. It will be disgrace to you. So do things within your control. That's what advice given by Baker. You take up things which are not possible for you. So certain projects like that. You say a project like this, suppose you are going to connect all the rivers in a country. Practically not possible. So what happened? Halfway through you will have to drop it. Then that will bring disgrace to you, not honor. The same thing again, you do something, say for example, what happened? You can see Robert Clive or General Dyer. What happened to General Dyer and Robert Clive? They were successful, but they were also failures. So that will bring disgrace. Robert Clive, he was supposed to be the founder of the British Empire in India, but he had to stand trial. And General Dyer also. So such things can happen. That is disgrace. Who will help you in enhancing your honor? Enhancement of your honor, who will help? That is by who will help you? They will be your direct followers and servants. Direct followers and servants will help. Otherwise what will happen? Other people. That's what we are coming to that. And that is canker, worm. You have heard of canker in a rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. But if there is a canker in it, or a mango, a ripe mango, you are about to eat, there is canker in it, worms in it. So the whole thing is spoiled. Now what is the canker? Canker is envy. Envy is the canker. Envy. There's no medicine for envy. So people will be envious. And you are rising up in life. Your honor is getting enhanced from state to other states, from other states to other nations, the whole world. Then what will happen is, as it happened to great men, without me giving names, because in that case people will think that I have got some special interest in that. The names which I have given here, it's all accepted worldwide. Then that is envy. Then how to get rid of it? You should say that I am doing this for human good. And also my success is not because of me, it's because of providence. You escape from this. So the escape route from envy is, you say that it's not me who is responsible for my success, but it is God. God's providence. And then the fifth point, degrees of honor. Degrees of honor in a state conferred by a state. Conferred by a state. There are degrees of honor. He says first is the greatest honor goes to founders of a state. Rome was founded by Romulus, and so he is given the greatest of honor. His name is seen reflected in the name of the country, Rome, Romulus. So first is founders. Actually, it is said that Aeneas, one of the Trojan princes, was the founder of Rome. Aeneas. And now we will not dispute those things. No dispute over that. Second is legislators. The state will confer honor on legislators. Why? Because even after the death, there will remain the law that we will have to follow. So, second degree of honor by a state is legislators. Third is liberators. Liberators. So you have got Abraham Lincoln. No, so the Civil War and liberation of the Negroes. Understand? For this, those who help to expand and defend. Expand the territory and defend nation from invaders. Julius Caesar, very famous example. The Gallic wars of Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar went to Gaul. Gaul means France. Very famous. Expansion. And he was also capable of defending his enemies. So that is. And the fifth one is father of nation. Father of nation. So we have a father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So this is how state confers honor to individuals. First you have got founders of a nation. Second, legislators. Third, liberators for those who expand the territory and defend enemies. And fifth is fathers of nation. Then, how does the state give? I think I have taken this now. Alright? Okay. So, how does the state give honors to subjects? Subjects means citizens. There also you have got. So, degrees of honor. Sixth, degrees of honor. Degrees means levels. Degrees of honor to subjects. Who gets the first one? First one is those people who undertake weighty business. So, for example, defense ministers. Defense ministers. Honor means subject means citizen. A citizen who takes up that. So that is one. And second is war heroes. Those who undertake weighty business of the state. Weighty business of the state. Third is second are war heroes. War heroes. As a Kargil heroes. Those people who defend the nation. You remember there was we have got great generals, you remember names of generals. George Patton, Second World War. That's a great name. You have got a film also on that. The name of the film is Torah, Torah, Torah. Title of the film, Torah, Torah, Torah. So you will find George Patton. The shooting, taking a rifle and shooting. That is, I saw that film, that's what I said. War heroes. And then you have got that is favorites of kings and favorites. Some people, they have got the favorites around them, so they are given honors. And further you have got diplomats. Diplomats, they are given honors. And the fifth and the last group is those who make sacrifice for their country. Martyrs of a nation. Sacrifice. Sacrifice their lives. Our freedom fighters, for example, India, you can say, our freedom fighters, they sacrifice their life. So many of them. And so, this has subjects are given. We have got such Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, or giving honor to individuals. Or in good old days, the British Queen or King would confer knighthood. Isn't it? Knighthood. And we have to call them Sir. Sir Winston Churchill. Not it? Like that. Okay. So this is the plan of the essay. First, how to win your honor by revealing your virtue and your worth. Then what is the problem? Sometimes some people expect honor. Some people do it only for publicity. Those things darken this work they are doing. You get greater honor if you do new things. If you again have greater honor if you please everybody. A disgrace is, second point is about disgrace. You take a projects which you are unable to carry on, then fail. That will bring disgrace on you. Understand? Or you gain honor in one and then say suppose there is a general. He wins a war, loses the seconds. Then automatically he will be rated. Third point is, who will help you to enhance your honor? Help will come only from direct followers and servants. Then what is the canker? Or what you find is the corrupting factor. So the corrupting factor is envy. How to escape? Say that it is God's providence. So that now degrees of honor conferred by state to founders of the state, legislators, liberators, and you have got people who help to expand the empire and fathers of nation. Degrees of given to subjects. Subjects means citizens. Those who take responsible, weighty works, war heroes, favorite, decorated. You are decorated. They will decorate war heroes. Your favorites, diplomats, and those who make sacrifice. So state level honor and individual level honor. State level is given to fathers of the nation and so on. I think it is clear. So tomorrow we will take up sentence by sentence. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life. Remember, keep distance to keep corona away. Bye.